The school day started with a lot of concern and uncertainty for families of students at an elementary school in Scarborough. A large medical response was made to that school. Good evening, I'm Brian Yacono.
And I'm Amanda Hill. Tonight we know no one was seriously hurt, but the school was evacuated and almost a dozen people were evaluated at the hospital after students complained of feeling ill. As News Center Maine's Donovan Lynch reports, first responders started testing for a possible gas leak.
Lights flashing through the foggy morning in Scarborough as 10 students and 1 adult from Wentworth School landed in the hospital after falling ill, raising concerns of a gas leak.
All the injuries are minor or just complaining of health symptoms. There was no injuries per se, physical injuries, and the treatment was minor and precautionary.
It began during rehearsals for a concert at this school for 3rd through 5th graders. More than 100 were on the risers when Superintendent Diane Nadeau says one child passed out. Then several others complained of respiratory symptoms. The call came into 911. A potential gas leak at the school.
And an evacuation of the building took place while public safety assessed the students who were feeling unwell.
Officials say the response reached the level of mass casualty incident, calling in departments from around the area. Scarborough Fire Chief Rich Kindlen says crews used 2 different meter devices to test for the presence of harmful gases. Both showed nothing in the school.
There were no hazards found in the building or in the area of the incident.
By Thursday afternoon, a spokesperson from Maine Health said all 11 patients had been released from the hospital. But for much of the morning on the ground, parents, notified by the school of the incident, anxiously waited to learn more.
You know, everybody's nervous and can't wait to lay their eyes on their child.
For Shannon Palomino, whose son James attends Wentworth School, worry gave way to relief.
This is your worst nightmare, getting a phone call like this, but you know, we're lucky that everybody's okay here.
And after the tests for the gas, the Scarborough chief says he has no concerns with people being back in the building. The children were sent back to finish their day here at the Wentworth School. In Scarborough, Donovan Lynch, News Center, Maine.